Dear aspirants, this is Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is saurabhsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical query, doubts, or if you have any other queries, so please feel free to contact us. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations, which are like ISI, CMI, NBHM, TIFR, etc. So please feel free to contact us if you need any help from us. Okay, any help, any kind of help. Okay, thank you guys. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which has appeared in the ISI MTech QROR in the year of the 2024, and the question is from our MCQ section. Okay, so the question is telling us that a sequence of real numbers an, sequence sign an, has a property p if and only if for every epsilon greater than 0 there exists n belongs to the natural set such that mod of an is less than epsilon for all n greater than equals to n. Then our a sequence an does not have the property p if and only if. So there are four options here, so we have to think about that. Okay, so now the given property P of a sequence an states that for all epsilon greater than 0, there exists n belongs to n such that our mod of an is less than epsilon for all n greater than equals to n. So we can easily see that as our mod of an is less than epsilon, so that can be written as also an minus 0 belongs to epsilon and all the thing occurs. So our so we can say that this is a sequence convert, this is a definition of a sequence converging to 0. Okay, so now we we are going to understand the negation here. Okay, so the negation property of P means what? That is telling us that the negation property of P means that the sequence does not satisfy the condition in logical terms, negating and negating this given statement here. Okay, so that negation will be what? That will be there exists epsilon greater than 0 such that for all n belongs to n, there exists n greater than equals to n with what? Mod of an will be greater than equals to epsilon. Okay, so this means that there exists some fixed epsilon greater than 0 for which the sequence does not eventually stay below epsilon. That is, for every choice of n, there is always some n greater than equals to n with mod of an less than greater than equals to epsilon. So now we are going to match the given options here. So first option is telling us that there exists epsilon greater than 0 such that for all n belongs to n, there exists n greater than equals to n satisfying mod of an greater than equals to infinity. This correctly captures the negation because a sequence does not have property P must have some epsilon greater than 0 where infinitely many terms remain at least epsilon. Okay, so our option A. Okay, so firstly we are taking that our option A is correct. So we have to think for our BCD also, because why? Because we have to check why are they not correct. So our option B is telling us that for all epsilon greater than 0 and n belongs to n, there exists n small n greater than equals to big N such that mod of an is greater than equals to epsilon. This is too strong. That means it states that for every epsilon greater than 0, we can always find large values of mod an, which suggests that the sequence is unbounded rather just failing to converge to 0. So our B is not so accurate negation. So now our C is telling us that for all epsilon greater than 0 and big N greater than equals to and our big N is belonging to natural set such that our mod of an is greater than equals to greater than equals to epsilon for all n greater than equals to big N. This is also too strong. It suggests that eventually all terms are bounded away from 0, which is stricter than just failing to tend to 0. And now our option D. So our option C will also not appropriate. So our option D will be for all epsilon greater than 0, there exist big N belongs to natural set such that mod of a n greater than equals to epsilon for some n belongs for some n greater than equals to n. This is weaker than A and does not fully negate the definition because it only requires at least one large mod of a n value for each. That means it only requires at least one large mod of a n for each epsilon, not necessarily infinitely many such values. This is so minute question, you have to think about it. So our D will not also correct. So our only correct negation of this given statement is my option A. Okay, hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, please feel free to contact us. Then you can join our doubt. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our one-on-one sessions, online classes, our regular batches. So that will be beneficial for you. Okay. So after you can contact us on these numbers. Then after that, you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Saurav's classes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.